upper triangular matrix using Python programming. A matrix A is equal to, A is said to be upper triangular matrix if suppose A is equal to, suppose this is the given matrix and this is the main diagonal of the matrix A. If all the entries below the main diagonal equal to 0, then we can say that a matrix A is upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. Now, if A is equal to, say A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, then for upper triangular matrix these three entries should be 0, means what? A21 equal to 0, A31 equal to 0, A32 is equal to 0, means what here? If A is equal to Aij, Aij is the given matrix for 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to m and 1 less than or equal to j less than or equal to n, then for upper triangular matrix, for I greater than j, then Aij should be equal to, should be 0. Okay, then we can say that matrix is called an upper triangular matrix. Again, do remember one thing, for upper triangular matrix your matrix should be a square matrix. Now what is meant by square matrix? Your number of rows equal to number of columns. If your matrix is not square matrix, then it is also not a triangular matrix. For triangular matrix, the number of rows should be equal to number of columns. Now by using Python code programming, we are going to check whether given matrix is upper triangular or not. So now first we want to enter number of rows and number of columns. So row equal to int input enter number of rows equal to, then column equal to integer input enter number of columns, and or you can say only number of columns, Now first we want to check whether it is a square matrix. If row not equal to column, then display the message print it is not a square matrix, or you can also say that please enter square matrix. Now else now we want to enter a given matrix, so display the message print enter your matrix. Now by using for loop we want to enter a matrix. First we are going to create an empty matrix is equal to, and then we append a row in this matrix. So for I in range row, again we want to create empty list for each row, and then we append this row in a given in matrix. So for j in range column, okay, a dot append int input, and then finally we want to append this into matrix dot append A. So we append row A in matrix. Now finally we want to display this matrix. So again display the message print your matrix is equal to, now again by using for loop, for I in range row, for j in range column, print matrix ij, again want to display space after each element. So end equal to, at end we want to display some space. Now again after each row want to print new line, want to insert new line, so print new line. Now if we run this code, then enter number of rows say 2, number of columns say 2, then 1 2 3 4. Now your matrix is 1 2 3 4. So here, now here want to print new column. So again if we run, so how many rows? 2, and if we enter 1 2 3 4, now you can see our matrix is 1 2 3 4. Now here number of columns equal to. Now we want to check whether given matrix is upper triangular or not. For that, for first we take count is equal to 0. Again for I in range row, j in range column, if for I greater than j and column and matrix ij not equal to 0, then count is equal to 1. Now if means what, if any if single non diagonal if single entry below the main diagonal not equal to 0, then count is equal to 1, otherwise your count is equal to 0. So now finally we want to check what is the value of count. If count is equal to 1, then display print matrix is not upper triangular, else display print matrix is in upper triangular, matrix is in upper. Okay. So now if we run this code, here is one error. If I in okay, now if we run this code, if we enter number of rows equal to 2, number of column is 2, and if we enter 1 2 0 3, a matrix, now you can see that all entries below diagonal equal to 0, therefore matrix is upper triangular matrix. Now again if we run this code one more times, suppose run and enter number of rows equal to 2, number of column is equal to 2, if we enter 1 2 3 4, now you can see the message not upper triangular matrix. So now again if we run one more time, now this time we are going to enter 3 by 3 matrix here, and if we run one more times, say number of rows equal to 3, number of column is equal to 3, enter your matrix 1 2 3, then 0 4 5 0 0 6, say 6, sorry 6 is not an upper triangular matrix. One more time, one more times, if we run this code, say number of rows equal to 3, number of column is equal to 3, enter your matrix, say 1 2 3 0 4 5 0 0 6. Now you can see that here the given matrix is now in upper triangular matrix. Now if we enter not square matrix, if number of rows is not equal to number of columns, say 3 and 4, then not square matrix, your matrix is not a square matrix. One more time, matrix is not a square matrix. Okay, it's one error. Okay, now if we run one more times, one error, one indentation level. So since we want it in else loop, now if we run this one more time, now if we run this code, then number of rows equal to say 3 and number of column is equal to 4, you will get a message not a square matrix. Thank you.